Hey y'all, it's your girl Clarece Evette, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell, this is a weight loss journey video. So if you are new to my channel and you like weight loss journeys or DIYs or vlogs, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be able to be notified when I upload videos. I think I'm talking a little bit too fast. Slow down a little bit. But anyway, just let you know what I ate this morning. If you want to see a whole day without eating a day video, please comment below and let me know. Make sure you like this video as well. But yeah, this is just a little video for you all, my first weight loss journey upload. And I also want to insert a weigh-in. I weighed myself this morning and I actually gained a couple pounds back. Between the time of me posting YouTube videos for my weight loss journey, you can also see what I'm eating or just chat with me on Instagram and Snapchat. You can follow me at Clarece Evette for Instagram, and then for Snapchat is Clarece. So make sure you go follow me and interact with me, because I like to comment and write back and, you know, talk to you all. So here's the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Also, make sure that you, if you have any questions for me, comment down below and let me know. I am doing a Q&A. Let me know. Okay? Bye, you guys. Till next time.